just heading out today. We've had to drive a couple of hours to go to where we're going. And it's all for TWINGL. Yeah.
Yep.
It's
Oh,
spoilt
look.
today. Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, yeah.
Just missed that. Yeah.
Kestrel.
Yeah, we're going to spoil it today. So we'll show you when we get there. Cheers.
In she goes. New tyres. 6 new tyres. It's my birthday treat. And the treat for TWINGL. That's some scary shit to see her up on a ramp like that. Jesus.
It's been spoiled.
I'm being really spoilt today, haven't I? I've just said in Ostles, well, Ostles have just wished me a happy birthday and give me some banana cake.
Yeah.
Just come in this little cafe to get a coffee and a scone, and they've just given us some shortbread and wished me happy birthday. I feel really spoiled.
So nice. So nice.
If you ever need in somewhere for a coffee
Yeah.
and a fantastic scone or cake,
Yeah.
and it's dog friendly,
Come to
check out
Jeannie's.
Jeannie's coffee shop here in Galashiels. If
Wow.
you're up this way, of course. Friendly staff and fantastic coffee and a fantastic fresh fruit scone, wasn't it?
It was really, really nice, isn't it? Really fresh. It's still warm as well.
Yeah, really good. So,
Really friendly staff.
yeah,
Lovely.
Jeannie's. There you go. So we've gone for an all-season tyre. Wheels need a wash, but we'll do that on the way back. But seriously, if you're up this way, or if you're needing tyres, batteries, wheel alignment, anything like that, Ostles is the place to come to, isn't it?
Definitely. In Galashiels.
In Galashiels.
Absolutely. The service you get is just 100%, isn't it?
Yeah,
120,
definitely.
150%. You just go the extra mile.
Yeah. Anyway, this isn't a paid promotion. We did pay for these tyres ourselves.
We paid for these.
So thanks very much, Ostles.
Yeah, thanks again.
That's us back now. New tyres, LPG's full. Just filling up the water tank now as well. And then we'll get ourselves back on the pitch. Successful day. Oh, and we've done the shopping as well, so the fridge is full. Right, that's the end of a successful day. New tyres on the van.
I know. Yeah.
Shopping done. full tank of water, top the LPG up. So now it's time to go and celebrate my birthday.
Even though he's been treated all day.
What, to new tyres?
Well, and cake.
And cake.
Yeah.
We're going to our new local. Gonna have a beer or two.
Yep.
And some food.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Yeah. Vanlife's good.
So far it's good.
Yeah.
So we will catch you in next week's video.
Yeah.
Thanks for tuning in.
Yeah, thanks. And all that jazz.
Bye for now.
Bye.